Again, to go in the afterlife is not about the money that we get or the power that we have, but it is the legacy that we left behind to those people with touch matter. Again, you cannot buy it by power, by wealth. You cannot get it by power. What you do, how we act in this life, matter. Fight it. Why? Because they knew me. They knew me from the very beginning. I have extended my hand in every corners of the Philippines during the pandemic. I have spread my heart throughout the Philippine archipelago. I lay down all hopes and dreams. I lay down all love and life. I spend my own fortune that it cost my sweat, blood, and tears to have it. I spend it all without regret just to help those fellow men. And those fellow men I have helped, going to spend the rest of my life doing this, then so be it. Yes. I rather choose to be like this. Yes. It's not the it's not the thought that counts, but it's the count. It's not the count that thoughts. Oh, okay. It's not the count that thoughts, but it is the thought that counts. We used to be a great country in Asia. We used to be the tiger economy of Asia. Number one in Asia, next to Japan, in terms of electronic. Yes, but number one in economy. We can easily purchase a submarine and even fleet. But look, I give you some example. We are the first country who has the light rail transit in Asia. We are the first country in Southeast Asia to have the biggest port. The first ever in Asia na magkaroon ng nuclear power plant. Yes. And we are the first country na nagkaroon ng commercial airline sa Asia. Yes. Yes. We used to. But now no more. Why? Because of rampant corruption. Mm-hmm. Mm. Yes. Because of rampant corruption. And the desire for a better living is deeply rooted. And it's already been, ano ba tawag dito? Outlook of over decades. And this unending poverty and misery of the people or the Filipinos is hardly acknowledged and probably never come to an end because of rampant corruption. Systematic. Yes. The entire government, the entire legislative, and its systems become corrupt. And that is the very reason na wala tayo submarine. Keep on subscribing to Mr. Caliber, all right? Because when the classes is resumed, we will be there. Hopefully, you are the one. Why you English very bad? Even my English is very bad. I have helped so many. And don't English me. I'm panicking. Sometimes, people can convince me on first impression. Yes. However, if the first impression won't last, and I think that I'm not impressed, I always try to give another chance for them to redeem what is their agenda. History will not recorded what we say, but it will recorded what we do. Yes. So, what I did in the past is giving myself to others. And that is history. Not all people have the chance to be part of the history. Whether we like it or not, whether you like it or whether you don't like it, FLM is FLM. FLM is already created a remarkable change in the lives of those poverty-stricken countrymen. Not only the poverty, including all the heights of COVID-19. A man who stands against all odds. Yes. In pursuing his dream of helping his fellow men. Yes. Yes. That is history. Whatever you say, it will not be recorded. Again, history will not recorded what we say, but history will recorded what we do. You know, the very essence of all my message to all of you, I'm going to repeat over and over again. That the absence of gentleness in the heart of men will lead us to loss. Our knowledge has made us cynical. Our cleverness made us skeptical. We strive for the best, but unconsciously, you feel less to people who need you. Yes. You have so many reasons and alibi. As I have said, we need kindness and gentleness better than cleverness, because the absence of the two qualities in the heart of men, life will be savage and all will be lost. I remember during my incarceration, many of our brothers and sisters inside prison, they are professional. There is a lawyer, there is a politician, of course there is a professor whom with me incarcerated. They lost their way. Why? They even lost their way out because they are convicted for life. And you know why? Because greediness to fame, greediness to power, greediness to wealth have poisoned their soul. And especially envy to someone will poison not only your soul, but including your spirit. Yes. Diba? I did not envy anyone. Yep. And I am not greedy. Why? I even give away my life to help my fellow men during the COVID. Yes. And it is written. It's already made. FLM, Kulaong, or Norman Mangusin, or Hoyo, or whatsoever. Huh? The man is made not by people, but by God Himself.